welcome back to my channel. That's how I am. This is Bhanu here. So hope you're all doing good. I'm doing great. So after moving here and there, I'm finally into kitchen today. So I thought of showing you how I cook in a clay vessel today. So how to use them, clean them, their benefits and everything about clay vessels is what you will be watching today. So firstly, let me introduce you to my clay vessels. So these are the set of 3 vessels which I have bought about 1 year ago in Amazon. And you know, I love cooking. So these are the other 2. I love cooking in them very much. It costed me about 1000 rupees to get these beauties home. So the smallest of the sizes, see, it is up to the size of my palm, and these are the next 2 sizes. The largest is on the stove and I'm 100% satisfied with them. So before you use them, for the first time, soak in water for about 6 hours or overnight, and then boil some drinking water in it and throw away this water. So after each cooking there is a need to wash it, clean it properly. So you can see the oil coming out of the pores here, right? So this is the oil which I have used in my previous dish, and that is since the clay vessels have the pores, the oil will be absorbed. Now put some water to it, and once you see the oil is out, you can wipe off with a clean cloth. So I have added some more water, and you can see the oil floating. So you can wait until the water is evaporated, or you can add more water and clean it with a cloth. So I'm cleaning it with a cloth, and you can repeat this process if necessary. And now the vessel is ready for use. So always use a wooden spatula, because if you use a steel or any other material, there may be scratches formed, and you know, the clay comes out and added to the food. Yes, this is chicken. I marinated with salt, turmeric, mirchi powder, pepper, ginger garlic paste, oil, curd and 1/4 slice of a lemon. Also I have added a pinch of garam masala to it and marinated for about 1 hour. So just to interest you guys, I want to show cooking chicken today, so that's the only reason. So this is ready to be cooked, marinated and freezed. And then I have chopped onion of this sized cubes. So these are 3 large sized onions I have taken, and 1 green chili. So I want to have less spicy food today, and that's the reason why I had chopped only 1 mirchi. This is 1 small sized tomato. This has a purpose. I'll tell you later. So see, you can see the fumes coming out of the vessel. So this is a point to be noted, that you shouldn't heat the vessel up to this. So this causes cough. So put on a medium flame always. So now I'm adding green chili to it. So I've already added 5 cloves and 1 small stick of dalchini to it. So in 1 cup of oil. Spread the oil all over the container so that it will be non-sticky. Now I'm adding onions too. So fry the onions until golden brown, and this is really going to take time, guys. So because you know, clay absorbs very less heat than any other material. So meanwhile I want to talk about the benefits of clay vessels. So do you guys know that cooking vessels play a key role in the cooking process to retain the contents of the food? So let me know in the comments. So these are the values of the nutrition left over in the food after cooking in these respective materials that are popping on the screen. So we understand that cooking in a clay vessel is a very traditional way of cooking since when civilization started, and you know, it is the best way of cooking. Don't think that it is an old-fashioned style, but cooking in a clay vessel is the new trend. Of course you need to invest some time in cleaning, and there are some measures to be taken as they are fragile. Like clay vessels should not be cooled immediately after overheating them, so these may cause cracks in it. But after all, it is our health that comes first, so try to adapt cooking in a clay vessel. Black vessels are way more stronger than the red clay vessels, so I prefer to choose the black over red. And you know that aroma that is coming out of this wonderful, and this may be an indication that all the nutrients are safe inside. So the flavors retain, the contents retain, and the food will be delicious when cooked in a clay vessel. So meanwhile I have chopped the tomato which I have shown you. So all the water is gone of onions, and it's frying well. So let's wait for some more time, because you know clay vessels are going to take more time and it will not retain more heat. So you can touch the vessel anytime, and the vessel you can avoid burns. So that is one advantage. My chicken is waiting to be going into the vessel, because the vessel is so beautiful. So meanwhile I have taken about 10 to 12 cashew nuts and I've soaked them in water for about 10 minutes. So now you can understand why tomatoes. So these cashews I can't grind them alone, so I'm using tomatoes and I'm grinding them both together. My onions have already turned golden brown. Now it's perfect time to let the chicken go into the onions. So I have put the marinated chicken into it. So I do not over mix them. You can just make sure that it is not sticking at the bottom, and then turn here and there, and then I can put on the lid and let the chicken cook. So all the water has come out. So this water which is coming out of chicken is enough for chicken to be cooked, right? I think everyone knows it. Meanwhile I have taken a small jar and grinded these into paste. So this is the lovely beautiful cashew and tomato puree. So after about 10 to 15 minutes I can see the oil coming out of the chicken, and this is the perfect time when I can put down my puree in it. So 80% of the chicken is cooked and the rest 20% will be cooking along with this puree, and then my chicken will be ready to be served. So after all the 10 minutes more, see, look at the beautiful rich gravy, and I'm loving it super. And this is how my chicken turned into in the last. Hey, it's so beautiful. I have decorated it with garnished it with coriander leaves, and this will be yum with any roti or rice. And hey, so I hope everyone likes this video, because cooking in a clay vessel, taking care of your health is very important. I know that putting out aluminium, steel, everything which has become part of our life is very difficult, but there can be some days where at least you can try using clay vessels when you have patience, when you have interest maybe. So think guys, and if you like this video, please like it, share with your friends for sure, comment on it and let me know your thoughts about it, and then please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.